Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's lecture number 16 of polity, we learned about Article 16, Article number 16, Clause 5, Clause 4, and we learned about the evolution of reservation states. We also learned about the case where Champakan Dorairajan versus the state of Madras was studied. We also learned the parliament's response to that case, and then we learned about the Mandal Commission, the formation of Mandal Commission and its role and how it did its work, the basis of classification used by the Mandal Commission. Then we learned about the Indira Sahani versus the Union of India state, and then we discussed 11 questions to the same case. Now we'll listen to part by part of what we actually learned. So Article clause 16 clause 5 was an exception to Article 16 clause 2, and Article 16 clause 4 is also an exception to Article 16 clause 2, where it states that state in India can reserve seats in government job only for backward classes of citizens. These backward sections classes should be inadequately represented in the societies and services of the states. In Champaka Dorai Rajan versus the state of Madras case, anti-Brahmin movement was passed, and then this resulted in passing the communal order. After this communal order, all the seats were reserved, like OBCs, Brahmins, Christian, Muslim, SCs, STs, everyone, every category was given seats that were reserved. In this case, the petitioner said that the Communal Order of 1920 amounts to a law in force under Article 13(1) and hence is violative for the fundamental right and should be declared unconstitutional. The Supreme Court said that fundamental rights should always prevail over the DPSPs in any case. This was the judgment given by the Supreme Court. And also, the violation of fundamental right via communal order is declared void. Then we learned about the Article 340 and major recommendations by the Mandal Commission, where 52% of India's population in backward classes of citizens was considered. That's it for today. Bye bye. Happy learning.